Hello plant lovers, report with me today the English IV. I'm using the Opawi compost mixture, which is well enriched with nutrients and also helps the plants to grow well. Today I'm using 8 centimeters wide pot, the bigger one, and the small one is 4 centimeters wide. When repotting, carefully take out your IV in the current pots. Cut away any dead or suckling roots. This encourages new roots to grow. English ivy is a fast grower plant, and by over time its root can fill up the pot. Repotting keeps it healthy and encourages new growth and gives it a fresh start. It's a timeless indoor plant known for its graceful trailing vines and rich green leaves. It's perfect for adding a touch of sophistication and freshness to any home or office space. A low maintenance plant thrives with moderate care. A cool climate friendly plant which enjoys slight cooler indoor temperatures, making it ideal for air conditioned offices and shaded homes. After repotting, clean your pot using a soft towel and water to give your plant a new home and a fresh start.